Across Canada, housing co-ops are exploring ways to keep their buildings affordable, comfortable, and up to date. One challenge comes from outdated heating systems like baseboards and furnaces using a lot of energy and increasing utility bills without offering any cooling in the warmer months. For many co-ops, heat pumps are a smart alternative. Unlike burning fuel or using metal heating elements to generate heat, a heat pump simply moves existing heat from one place to another. In the winter, it extracts warmth from the outside air, even in the freezing cold, and brings it indoors. In the summer, it simply reverses the process and works as an air conditioner by extracting heat from your home to keep it cool. This simple, efficient process is why heat pumps can use up to 4 times less energy than traditional systems. There are also different systems to suit various building types. One co-op, for example, installed a rooftop system and saved over $37,000 a year in utilities, while cutting carbon emissions and adding air conditioning to all units. While they might not be the best fit for extreme cold climates, they offer a proven way to modernize and save energy for most co-ops. Contact your co-op housing federation or building condition assessment consultant to explore current resources and financial support that can help your co-op make the switch.